Hi everyone, today we'll have a look at the image formation in a convex lens or a converging lens for various object positions. I have placed my object at infinity and it's very far away from the lens, and the type of image that I am getting is a very small image. It's a diminished point sized image which I am able to obtain on a white colored screen. As you can see over here, I have kept my candle very far away from the lens since I cannot quantify infinity, but you can see the point size image in a zoomed version as well. Let's have a look at the second case where our object is beyond 2f, and you can see that the image is slightly bigger than that from the previous case, but again it's a diminished image. It's a real inverted and diminished image, as we can see over here. And you can also see a zoomed in view of the image, which will give you more clarity. Let's move to the next case where our object is at 2f, and you can see that the size of the image is exactly the same as the size of the object, and it's a real image again, which is inverted in nature, and that's why I'm able to obtain the image on the screen. Now, if I try to move the object between 2f and f, I'll get an image which is slightly enlarged. So I'm trying to make the adjustment of my object, and you can see an image slowly forming on the screen. And I'm using a white sheet of paper as my screen. So I am getting an image that is real, inverted, and enlarged. We'll zoom into the image and you'll get to see that the image is very broad as compared to the object. It's very huge as compared to the candle over here, which is serving the purpose of my object. So when I place my object beyond 2f and f, you can see that I'm able to obtain an image that is real, inverted, and highly enlarged. Let's move to the next case where we place our object on the focus and the image is formed at infinity. Again, we cannot quantify infinity and we cannot obtain the image on the screen as well. Let's have a look at the last case where the object is placed between the focus and the optical center. So in this case, we get a virtual image which is erect in nature and it cannot be obtained on a screen. So thank you for watching. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you can stay tuned with all the latest updates of physics on my channel. Till then, take care and happy learning.